Storms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G for Verizon Prepaid. So the Galaxy A14 got released on January 12th, so the A14 is a new budget smartphone for Verizon Prepaid, a budget 5G smartphone. So if you guys are looking to get a budget 5G smartphone, the Galaxy A14 can be one to check out here. It's available now in black, 64 gigabytes of storage, and it's $199.99. No contracts, of course, so this is really cool. So yeah, the Galaxy A14 is now here. It's an update of the Galaxy A13 5G, of course. So yeah, I think it has pretty much similar specs between the two phones. So except for this one might have slightly newer software and stuff like that, but I think the two phones are similarly spec'd between each other. So yeah. So here's the Galaxy A14. Very nice looking phone. You guys can see the phone right there. Your teardrop notch with your front facing camera. The earpiece above that. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. Nice looking wallpaper, kind of like it was on the Galaxy A23. In terms of like the wallpaper look and design and stuff like that. Pretty cool, you know. Yeah. The left side, I think it has your micro SD and SIM card slot. On the left side, yep, micro SD and SIM card slot right here on the left. And you do have a slight camera bump, so keep that in mind. So get a case. On the back of the Galaxy A14 is your triple camera system. Camera for a Samsung logo. It looks like the Galaxy A13 in terms of like camera design and everything else. This is basically Galaxy A13, but with newer internals and software and stuff like that. So yeah, they look identical to each other. I don't know if the screen sizes are the same, but phone does look very nice in my opinion. There's a closer look at the back there. Triple camera system, really nice camera for Samsung logo. So yeah. Right side power button, volume keys. And I think this is also a fingerprint sensor right here, so really cool there. Then there's the right side button again. So the Galaxy A14 is 3.7 inches in width, 6.60 inches in height. 3 cameras on the back, like I mentioned. 50 megapixel main camera with you'll have autofocus on that one. F1.8 aperture lens on the main camera. 2 megapixel macro camera, f2.4 aperture, then a 2 megapixel depth sensor on the rear, f2.4 aperture, and you get a camera flash, obviously. And the camera setup is in that order. You have a main camera, macro, and depth camera in that order, going from top to bottom. 31 hours of talk time, 16.7 days of standby time. Keep up with life with a phone that gets you find everything you need online with 5G connectivity, and see your favorite games and apps in high definition with a 6.6-inch screen. Stay ready for all life's moments with a long-lasting and fast-charging battery, and snap stunning selfies with an awesome 13 megapixel front camera but with all the essentials to stay connected. Galaxy A14 5G is the perfect match for those wanting to upgrade their phone at an amazing value and get great 5G experience with Verizon, the network America relies on. Alright, so like I said, if you guys are looking to get a budget 5G smartphone, the Galaxy A14 is a very nice looking phone. I was a big fan of the Galaxy A13 5G from last year, and this phone's no different. It pretty much the same exact phone almost, except for this one has slightly newer hardware and internals and software and stuff. So yeah, long lasting battery life. Stay ready for today's surprise. Stay ready for today's surprises with the fast charging, long lasting battery of Galaxy A14 5G confidently handle work on the go and play your favorite games to your heart's content with a battery that gives your charger a break. So so you get all day battery life on here. Super fast 5G capability. So basically, the main selling point of the Galaxy A14 is its 5G connectivity, obviously. So that's pretty much becoming standard now on budget phones. Now, its 5G is becoming more and more standard on budget phones now. So that is really cool. So it says I enjoy playing games and streaming with 5G and the fast, reliable processor of Galaxy A14 5G. Download and share content quickly with a phone that keeps up with the speed of life. Expandable storage to save more moments that matter. Live and make your favorite experiences with the expandable memory of Galaxy A14 5G. Save all those unforgettable moments. Off-trail adventures with friends and family vacations with 64 gigabytes of internal storage and room for up to 1 terabyte more when you add a micro SD card. So like I said, kind of has similar specs to the Galaxy A13 5G from last year. So yeah, you'll get 64 gigabytes of storage, which is pretty decent for a budget phone like this. Like a lot of budget phones now are coming with at least a 128 gigabytes. This one has 64 gigs, which isn't too bad. It's better than 32. So yeah, a versatile camera experience. Capture amazing selfies with the 13 megapixel front camera and get all the action, whether that's the big bright smiles of friends or captivating sunsets in high resolution that will take people's breath away. With a triple lens camera system and 50 megapixel resolution, that's the main camera. Galaxy A14 5G helps you unlock your inner photographer for an incredible value. Alright? See more on an infinitive display. Press play and experience your games and videos like never before with Galaxy A14 5G. A 6.6 inch edge-to-edge screen lets you catch all the details while an adaptive 90Hz Infinity V Full HD Plus display makes enjoying your favorite shows a breeze. So you do get 90Hz refresh rate on here, which is pretty good. That's decent. That's better than 60Hz. A sleek modern design. Like I said, it looks like the Galaxy A13 from last year. Basically, it's a Galaxy A13, but with newer hardware and software and stuff like that. Take on your day confidently with the durable, textured design of Galaxy A14 5G. With a simple yet classy finish, it's sure to impress and slide into your hands with ease. Video call continuously with Google Meet. Keep your group conversations going across your phone and your Galaxy tab with Google Meet, whether you are having a video meeting with your team or your friends. Use Google Meet to start a video chat on your Galaxy tab and then continue the call on your phone as you head out the door. So that's pretty cool. Transfer files in a flash with quick share. So fast it's almost like magic. Send your files to another Galaxy device with quick share, a seamless connection that helps you easily share and minimize frustration. Transfer a photo or video transfer a photo or video wirelessly from your Galaxy phone, tab, or Galaxy Book. I'm guessing that's what's pictured on the screen here, which is really nice. So Samsung ecosystem there. Says transfer a photo or video wirelessly from your Galaxy phone, Galaxy Tab, or Galaxy Book to other nearby Galaxy devices and vice versa. It's super easy, and you won't have to email yourself or use a thumb drive to move your files. So that is really cool. So you can transfer files from your PC, from your Galaxy Book, from your Galaxy Tab, and your Galaxy A14. So that's really cool. Samsung devices there. So really nice. Specs. The Galaxy A14 is 6.60 inches in height. The length is okay. Scratch that. The length is now available. The width is 3.7 inches. The depth is 0.36 inches. The Galaxy A14 weighs 7.2 ounces, 7.20 ounces that is. Type-C for charging, which is pretty much standard now. 6.6 inch display, 90 Hz adaptive refresh rate, 20 by 9 aspect ratio, 1080 by 2408 pixel resolution, Full HD plus. That's a TFT display, so your standard display there, nothing special. 5,000 mAh battery, up to 15 watt fast charging. There is no power share. You do get 5G nationwide, of course, and 5G ultra wideband, of course, 4G, of course, global unlimited network. World device works in over 200 countries, depending on what plan you guys have. SAR ratings, Wi-Fi connections for the Galaxy A14 include Wi-Fi 8 to 211 Gen and AC, dual-band Wi-Fi. Front camera 13 megapixels, fixed focus f2.0 aperture. Rear camera, you get 3 of them, 50 megapixel main. With autofocus f1.8 aperture, 2 megapixel macro camera, f2.4 aperture, depth camera, 2 megapixels as well, f2.4 aperture, and you get a camera flash. The front camera records in Full HD at 30 frames. Back camera records in Full HD at 30 frames. So there is no 4K videos on this phone at all. You get Android 13 with One UI 5.0. So that's really cool. Yeah, I think it's 5.0, or I think it's One UI 5.0 or 5.1. But you're getting the latest and greatest Android experience, which is really nice. 64 gigabytes of storage. That is 4 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. Not bad. And you do have a micro SD card slot, so to take advantage of that, you get up to 1 terabyte of expandable storage. 10 devices on mobile hotspot. You have a fingerprint sensor, which is your power button, and you have facial recognition as well. Bluetooth 5.2, Google Assistant. There's your hand neck compatibilities there. Mobility. There's some different features, like a different accessibility features being listed here. The processor is a MediaTek Dimensity 700 octa-core processor. 31 hours of usage time, 16.7 days of standby time. There is no wireless charging on this phone, okay? You do get fast charging though at 15 watts, but there is no wireless charging. There is no power share, so if those features mean anything to you, this is not the phone for you, alright? If you guys need help with your Galaxy A14, learn how to like set up like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or whatever. Verizon has you covered with device support here. So it says here Verizon Wireless Support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So check that out if you guys ever need help setting up your phone or whatever. It's a great tool to have. What comes in the box is your Samsung Galaxy A14 5G prepaid smartphone, USB-C to USB-C cable, so Type C to Type C cable. Terms and conditions: pre-installed SIM card. What is a nano SIM card? SIM ejection pin. Quick reference guide. So, your standard stuff there. I don't think it comes with a charger in the box. It don't mention the charger in the box, so not surprising there. So, yeah, there you guys go. Samsung Galaxy A14 is now here at Verizon Prepaid for $199.99, no contract. So, if you guys are looking to get a 5G smartphone for cheap, the Galaxy A14 is worth taking a look at here. It's $200 at Verizon Prepaid, no contracts. Pretty much the same spec sheet as the Galaxy A13 5G from last year. So if you guys got like a Galaxy A13 case, if you guys got a case for your Galaxy A13, it might be able to work on the Galaxy A14. But you would have to compare the two phones to see if your cases will fit the A13 and the A14. So, yeah, the two phones are very similar in each other. The only difference I could probably see is that this one comes with Android 13 and the Galaxy A13 came with Android 12 last year. So that's the only difference that I see so far. There might be more differences, but not much, because pretty much similar phones and stuff like that. So if you guys got the Galaxy A13, it's up to you. It's up to you if you guys would want to upgrade to this phone. It's up to you. If you guys got the Galaxy A13, it's not really much of an upgrade. All you guys are getting in the upgrade wise is your software. But other than that, it's pretty much the same phone. So, yeah, very nice looking phone, great specs and great features for what it is. A budget 5G smartphone, you can't go wrong with that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It lets me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.